Hi everyone. Today we are at Taaza Kitchen in Ameerpet branch. They have recently launched this veg thali, which consists of all five items and at a reasonable price of 90 rupees, which is a very budget-friendly meal for students and employees who are nearby. And the quantity of the thali is more than enough for one person, and the quality comes to the next level. You can always trust the brand Taaza. We just had a chance to visit their kitchen and their standard levels of maintaining hygiene and everything. Whenever you are nearby in the Ameerpet, don't miss the thali. And mainly, they are giving a curd. Everything is up top notch. Thank you.